Good day everyone! Welcome back sa ating munting channel. Kung kayo ay bago lamang dito, pakihit ng notification bell at ng subscription button bilang suporta sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat! Okay, let us start. Today, ang ating aralin ay sa mathematics para sa grade 5. Okay, so welcome students sa ating aralin na pag-uusapan. Okay, so let us discuss. Okay, so we have the list common multiples of a given number. So number 1, we have 1 and 7. Number 2, we have 5 and 20. Number 3, 12 and 9. Number 4, 9 and 6. Number 5, 6, 7 and 3. Okay, so I will explain this in English and Filipino. Okay, so how to find the least common multiples of these given numbers here? Okay, paano natin makukuha yung tinatawag natin na least common multiples? So, what we are going to do is to have this number. Okay, so we have 3 and 7. So the multiples of 3 are the following. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. O, yan. Ito ay yung multiples ng number na 3. Okay. Next, punta tayo sa number 7. The multiples of 7 is 7, 14, 21. Okay, if you notice, on number 3, we reach the number 21, and number 7, at the third multiples, we also reach the number 21. So this number, and this number has become the least common multiples. Yan. So, itong number na to, 21 at saka 21, kung saan sila nag-meet or nagkatagpo yung kanilang multiples, kaya tinawag silang least common multiples of these given numbers, which are the 3 and 7. So, ang least common multiples ng number na 3 at saka 7 ay 21. Okay, so we have here the LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Next, we have 5 and 20. So we have 5, we have 20. So let us have the multiples of 5. So tingnan natin yung multiples ng 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. So we reach 20 at the fourth multiples of 5. Now, on 20, we have the first number that we reach is 20. So, at this moment, hindi na natin kailangan dagdagan pa kasi list nga yung ano natin, yung hinahanap, di ba? Yung pinakamaliit na number na nagtagpo sila. So, ito yung pinakamaliit na number na nagtagpo ang dalawang number na to. So, 5 and 20, we have 20 and another 20. So, the least common multiples of 5 and 20 is 20. Okay? Next, we have 12 and 9. So, we have 12, we have 9, and then 12, the multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36. Okay, and about 9, we have 9. Okay, 18, 27, and 36. Okay, we notice that after a series of multiples, the third multiples of 12 is 36, and the fourth multiples of 9 is 36. So, they meet at this number, which is 36. So, dito sila nagkatagpo sa 36 na number. That's why, yan, this 36 and 36 is the multiples, or the least common multiples of 12 and 9. Okay, or the LCM is 36. Let us have number 4, 9 and 6. We have 9, we have 6. Okay? So 9, 18, 27. Okay. For 6, we have 6, 12, 18. So we stop in there. After the third multiples of each number, we reach a number that they have the same kind of number, or they have in common. We have 18. So we have 18 here and 18 also in the multiples of 6. Okay, so 18 is the LCM, or the least common multiples of 9 and 6. Okay, next we have 6, 7, and 3. So 6, 7, and 3. Okay, let us have the multiples of 6. We have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Okay, for 7, we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Okay, for 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So almost there, but hindi pa natin na-reach kasi yung kaparehas na number ng 42. So let us continue the multiples of 3. We have 24, we have 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, and 42. So now, the LCM of this number is 42. So we have here this one. Okay, so this is same as this. So in numbers 6, 7, and 3, the LCM is 42. Okay? So I hope na may natutunan tayo sa ating activity sa araw na ito, sa ating aralin sa mathematics, which is the least common multiples of a given number. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood at sana'y patuloy tayong sumuporta sa ating munting channel. Thank you and God bless.